Have you ever seen how the smallest act of kindness comes back in the most unexpected moment? This is the story of a king who forgot what size truly means until a tiny friend saved his life. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest under soft sunlight, a great lion rested beneath an ancient tree. He was the strong and calm king, breathing slowly. Nearby, a tiny mouse hurried through the grass, searching for food. The mouse was thinking of her hungry family, not watching her path. Busy and lost in thoughts, suddenly, the mouse ran across the lion's nose. The mighty lion woke with a loud snort. He caught the mouse under his huge paw. The mouse shook with fear. "Please, don't eat me," the mouse said softly. "If you let me go, I will help you one day." The lion laughed. You are too small to help a king." But as he looked into the mouse's hopeful eyes, his anger softened. He lifted his paw and let her go. The mouse ran into the tall grass, her voice tiny. "Thank you, mighty lion. I will never forget this." Days passed. The lion was walking through the forest. He believed strength was enough. Then, one afternoon, a heavy net dropped from the trees. Thick ropes tightened around him. He roared and roared, but the harder he fought, the tighter it became. For the first time, fear touched his heart. Far away, the little mouse heard his painful cry. The mouse remembered the mercy she received. The mouse ran through leaves, over stones, toward the roar. She found him trapped. "I will help you," she said. The mouse climbed the net. The ropes were thick. Her teeth were small, but her courage was greater. She chewed and chewed, fighting fear, fighting time. The lion's eyes held shame. "Forgive me, I doubted you," he whispered. Voices of hunters echoed nearby. The lion's breath grew fast. "Please hurry," he whispered. The mouse did not stop. Rope by rope, fiber by fiber, until the net snapped open. The lion stumbled free, his eyes gentle. "You saved me," he said. "Size never decides strength." The mouse smiled. "Even small ones have great power." And from that day, the king walked with humility. The mouse walked with pride. And the forest remembered this truth: kindness always returns. True strength is not in size, but in the heart that chooses kindness. Even the smallest act can become the greatest rescue. If this story touched your heart, write "Kindness wins" in the comments. Share this story with someone who needs a reminder that small actions create big miracles. And subscribe to the Bani Tales for more inspiring stories.